is an Indian restaurant. And these are Indian delicacies. Very sweet. Traditional cakes of India. As a diabetic, I cannot take this. And that is roti canai maker, and he also produces this thosai. And according to the owner, this is halal. And this is the owner. How are you? So this is a restaurant Sri Pandi, one of my favorite Indian restaurants. Thank you very much. Dosa only. And this is the thosai maker. And you can see the thosai is being prepared. Is it not thosai? Rawa thosai. This is called rawa thosai.
Rawa thosai. Besta thosai.
Mau thosai. Normal thosai. Yeah, good. This is how the thosai looks like. So, எனக்கு ஒரு தோசை போடுங்க. ஷூட்டிங் நடக்குது. This man is going to prepare my thosai. That's how the thosai is done. சிரிக்க வேண்டியது தானே? என்னமோ நம்ம இது மூவிக்கு எடுக்கிறது மாதிரி தான் இது இன்டர்நெட் ஓடுது. இந்தியாவில் இருக்கிற இளைஞர்லாம் உங்களை பார்க்கணுமா இல்லையா? என்ன பேரு? ஊரு? காரைக்குடி. இந்தியா மக்களுக்கு வாழ்த்து சொல்லுங்க. இது இன்டர்நெட்ல போடுது. ராத்துக்கு சொல்லுங்க. This fella is a chai fella. Okay, my thosai is about to be done. You can see it's becoming crispy. See the steam rising from it. This is the flour. அது என்னது? மோரா? Rawa thosai. That is the ingredients for the rawa thosai. And this is roti canai, one of the favorite Malaysian foods. And beside this is chapati. இது எதுக்கு கிழங்கு? These potatoes are being used to for the masala thosai. Yeah. You can see that the environment is very clean, and we have lots of fans, and there's a handsome owner there. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to find the best thosai, come to Pasar Pudu, Sri Pandi restaurant, right? There's a Sri Pandi restaurant. Opposite is E-Mart, complex E-Mart. You can see there's the E-Mart there. And it's drizzling today. It's very early in the morning, so there are less people. But in a few hours time, this place will be jam-packed with people. And this is a Sijil Pengesahan Sembelihan Binatang Halal. So for those of you who come and eat here, you can see that this is a halal place. And this is Jabatan Agama Islam, Selangor. So that's it. This is from restaurant Sri Pandi at Jalan Pasar Pudu. So say hi to the world.
Hi.
Alright. So these are what they say, our Indian brothers. Makkal Shakti. Hindra Walga. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mahaguru 58 from restaurant Sri Pandi saying welcome to Malaysia to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Alright.